Hi everyone, at Freedom Quest Insurance, we're all about helping truckers like you make the best decisions for your business. Today, we're answering a common question. How do I determine the right amount of coverage for my truck fleet? Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand legal requirements. The US DOT has specific minimum requirements for liability coverage, especially if you're operating across state lines. But remember, minimum coverage might not fully protect your business. It's better to aim for a balance between meeting legal standards and safeguarding your investments. Step 2. Understand the limit requirements of your brokers. Knowing and understanding the limits required by your brokers is crucial in being able to bid for work. Generally, most brokers will require higher limits than the minimum required by the FMCSA if you're hauling across state lines. While the FMCSA standard liability limit requirement is $750,000, a typical broker is going to require $1 million in auto liability coverage. Step 3. Assess your fleet's value. Start by calculating the value of your trucks and equipment. Consider the purchase price, the cost of upgrades, and any specialty features. We want to make sure that in a worst-case scenario, your hard-earned investment is protected. It is good practice to cover the trucks for their full value to ensure they can be replaced if anything happens. Anything amount below their worth is a risk proposition. Step 4. Protect the load. It is to your benefit and the benefit of your broker to make sure the cargo is protected. Motor truck cargo coverage does just that for you. What's the maximum value of the goods you typically haul? This will guide you in choosing cargo insurance that fits your needs. The typical policy has a coverage of $100,000 in cargo coverage. Make sure to ask about any limitations or exclusions to prevent overexposure. Step 5. Evaluate your routes. Where do your trucks travel? If you're crossing state lines or working in high-risk areas, you may need higher liability limits. Different states have different requirements, so make sure your coverage complies with local and federal regulations. Every business is unique. Do your drivers frequently work in hazardous weather? Are you transporting high-value items? Factors like these can increase your risk, which means you'll need higher coverage limits to protect your assets. Step 6. Work with an expert. Finally, talk to an insurance expert who knows the trucking industry. At Freedom Quest Insurance, we specialize in helping truckers customize policies that fit their exact needs. No guesswork, no unnecessary extras, just the right coverage for your fleet. And here's the best part by clicking the link in the description below to get a personalized quote. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future tips. And don't forget to follow us on social media for even more trucking advice. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Freedom Quest Insurance, you're always covered for the road ahead. See you in the next video.